Happy Thursday, guys. Heading to SEAWORLD. I love SEAWORLD. We've got free parking as well. Go on, Sapphire. I think the pavement's a bit hot for it was yesterday. Late night last night, editing vlogs all night, and early start this morning for SEAWORLD. Missed breakfast, we always do. Can't get up for breakfast. It finishes at 9 o'clock. It's too early to get kids ready for 9 o'clock. Heading to SEAWORLD. Come on, Sapphire, we've got to go. Where's the car? Alright, yeah, I will do, yeah.
But I like the fuzzy hair.
Right there, let's see what queue time is first for it. Well, there's no better time to have a pint of beer than now. Cheers. And Sapphire's asleep. Not too bad, is it? She might sleep all night if I'm lucky. With a nice view of the rain. Even though it's raining, it's still warm. It's open till 8:30 tonight at SEAWORLD. All the rides are closed due to the storm. Coming down now.
Oh, I see you. It's coming. It's coming.
I'm in the Education and Conservation Department here at SEAWORLD. I'm sitting on the far right-hand side, inside of the sea turtle room. If you have any questions about the rescued manatees or the sea turtles here in Turtle Track,
we've come to our favourite place. Yes, it's Mango Joe's. I got the double burger. Dell's got chicken strips and Zarina's got nuggets. No doubt they want a cake. Sapphire will share off with, I think. Yeah, you getting a cake, Del? That cheesecake looks nice. Yeah, we can share one. I'll let you share mine. So currently all attractions have closed due to the weather. We've got a big storm coming that way. Oh yeah, this way. this way, that way, whichever way. We'll keep walking. We've got to seek shelter. Seek shelter from the storm. Let's do wild, guys. Wild.
have to measure her for a while.
Are you joking? Sapphire can't go on the wild one. So we're going wild and they're going mild. This is Antarctica.
Hey guys, we should go on to the first one. Let's go, right to left. Let's go.
It's time to begin your icy journey as a penguin through the wonders of Antarctica. Please slide all the way to your right. Fasten your
Hot slides and glides into a cavern of icy, dancing light. Grown up and he ventures out into a pleasant hunt in the sea. It's your turn to continue the adventure as your family meets our penguin family.
As you can tell, it's absolutely freezing in here. That's real snow as well. So set this to night time, because in the daylight it's blue and white, and amber at night.
bit stormy today. Got a lot of rain. Been out cool this morning, it was nice this morning, but it's a bit not really cool weather at the moment.
Can we go for a swim?
Where are we going, Mikey?
We're going to a rainforest. If we get out of this, we can't go anywhere yet.
And
Too
then
bad.
hopefully Animal Kingdom.
Sappy's going swimming.
Oh!
Stop it. That doesn't mean you actually do it.
I got my new shirt on. New shirt, 10 quid. For tonight, and we can't go to the car like this because I'll have to change my clothes when I get there. Heading to Animal Kingdom. Rainforest, welcome to the Rainforest Restaurant. In Animal Kingdom. We better book in first. I knew it was a bad idea to come shopping first. I've seen a game that I want. We play Monopoly a lot, and this is Animal Play.
The Rainforest Cafe would like to welcome Natalie Moore, Safari of 6. Please
That's only
approach the purple elephant with your entire party. Your wild
$20.
adventures ready to begin.
I'll get a discount because we've got the laundry card.
Safari of 6.
What are you getting now?
You get 15.
Rainforest Cafe would like to welcome Michael, Safari of 4.
That's
Please
us.
approach the purple elephant. Your
That's
adventures
Michael.
about
Let's
to
go
begin.
for dinner.
Safari of 4.
What are you saying, Sapphire? What have you seen? What? Elephants. She thinks it's real. So tonight, guys, I am going to eat this awesome appetizer. So you get guacamole, cheese sticks, chicken strips. It looks quite nice, that. I'm having that as a main course. What are you having, Della?
Coconut shrimp.
Coconut shrimp, as always. And what's Serena having?
Shrimp steak chicken.
What you got now? A toy. You get 15 animals in a little case.
But we actually got one more to exercise.
Got 16. Did you nick one? Oh, you little thief. All the storms happening. But they like it. Serena's not bothered. Kids' meals are quite big.
I don't want big red.
I've got awesome appetizer, some fries, and Dale's got coconut shrimp.
Just come out of the Rainforest Cafe. Sappy really enjoyed it. Looking at all these animals. Show you around the gardens of Rainforest Cafe. Alright, Mikey?
I've eaten too much food. Right, people. Time to go to bed. It's been a long day.
The ladybugs.
We have been to, where have we been, guys?
Okay, put it on the head.
Chick-fil-A.
Where?
Put it on the head.
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A. No, where did we go earlier?
Oh, at SEAWORLD.
Oh, it's SeaWorld. Oh my god, my memory's getting bad. So guys, it's time to go to bed. And we'll see you tomorrow. Remember? Take it easy!
Puppy man.
Take it easy! Take it easy!